discuss 7th class mathematics lines and angles. In lines and angles, angles made by a transversal. A transversal is a straight line. It intersects two or more lines at distant points. Transversal. Here B is transversal. It intersects two distant points. Here L is transversal. It intersects also three lines at distant points. It is called transversal. When a transversal intersects two lines, form 8 angles. When a transversal intersects two lines, when a transversal intersects two lines, 8 angles are formed. You see that? Okay? L comma M are two lines, straight lines. T is transversal. 8 angles are first one, number 1, 2, third angle, fourth angle, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. Okay, 8 angles are formed. When a transversal intersects two lines, 8 angles are formed. First one is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. Angle 1 and angle 5 looks like same. Angle 1 and angle 5 looks like same. These are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means two angles are same side of the transversal. Two angles are same side of the transversal. And same side of the transversal, and one is exterior and other one is interior. One is exterior and other one is interior, but not adjacent. Corresponding angles means two angles are same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal. One is interior and other one is exterior. Other is exterior. Angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 1, angle 5. Next, angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 2 and angle 6. Next 5. Angle 3 and angle 7. angle 3 and angle 7. Next angle 4 and angle 8. Angle 4 and angle 8. These are the corresponding angles. Two angles are same side of the transversal. One is interior, other one is exterior, but not adjacent. 2, 3 are not corresponding angles. Angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. Okay. Next one. Angles. The angles are interior of the lines. Angles are interior. What are they? Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. The angles are interior. The angles are interior. They are angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. These are the interior angles. Okay, angle 3, angle 5, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6 are the interior angles. Next one. Co-interior angles. Co-interior. Co-interior angles means same angles are interior and also same side of the transversal. The angles are interior and also same side of the transversal. Angle 3 and angle 6. Next one is angle 4 and angle 5. Okay. The angles are interior. Angles are interior and also same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal. Angle 3 and angle 6. Angle 3 and angle 6. Angle 3 and angle 6. Come on. Next one is angle 4, angle 5. These are the co-interior angles. These are the co-interior angles. Okay. Fourth one is alternate interior angles. The angles are interior, alternate to the transversal, alternate చెరో వైపున, but not adjacent. పక్క పక్కన ఉండవు, but not adjacent. Angle 3 and angle 5. Angle 3 and angle 5. And angle 4 and angle 6. The angles are interior, angles are interior, alternate to the transversal, alternate to the transversal. Alternate to the transversal. but not adjacent. But not adjacent. We said that angle 3 and angle 5. Angle 3, angle 5 are alternate interior angles. Angle 3, angle 5. And angle 4, angle 6 also alternate interior angles. Angle 4, angle 6 also alternate interior angles. Angles are interior, alternate to the transversal, but not adjacent. Angle 3 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 6 are the alternate interior angles paid. Okay. Next one is angles are exterior. Angles are exterior. బయట ఉండే యాంగిల్స్, ఎక్స్టీరియర్ లోపల ఉండే యాంగిల్స్. 1, యాంగిల్ 2, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ యాంగిల్ 7, యాంగిల్ 8. యాంగిల్స్ ఆర్ ఎక్స్టీరియర్. Angle 1, comma angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. Angle 7, angle 8. Exterior angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8 are exterior angles. Are you clear? Next one. Co-exterior angles. Co-exterior angles. Co-exterior means same side of the transversal. Co-exterior means same side of the transversal and also exterior of the transversal. And also exterior of the transversal. Co-exterior angles. Co-exterior angle means same side of the transversal. Angles are exterior. Angles are exterior. Angles are exterior. And also same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal. Or angle 1, angle 8, angle 2 and angle 7. Angle 1, angle 8 and angle 2, angle 7 are the co-exterior angles. Are the co-exterior angles. Okay. Exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles means angles are alternate to the transversal and also exterior of the transversal and also exterior of the transversal. Angle 1 alternate to the angle 7 and angle 2 alternate to angle 8. Angle 2 alternate to angle 8. Angles are exterior. Angles are exterior and alternate to the transversal. Chiro vaipuna. But not adjacent. Alternate to the transversal. Angle 2, angle 8. Angle 1, angle 7. alternate to the transversal angles are exterior, are called alternate exterior angles. Angles are exterior and alternate to the transversal. Alternate to the transversal. Alternate to the transversal. Angle 2 and angle 8. Angle 1 is alternate to angle 7. These are the alternate exterior angles. Angle 2, angle 8. Angle 1, angle 7. Okay. Clear? Corresponding angles property. Now we discuss corresponding angles property. When a transversal intersects two parallel lines, when a transversal intersects two parallel lines means two lines are not intersect at any point, not intersect at any point are called parallel lines. When a transversal intersects two parallel lines, corresponding angles, angle 1, angle 5. One is interior and other one is exterior. One is interior and other one is exterior. Corresponding angles, they are equal. We prove that. How? Take a white paper and draw two parallel lines and also draw a transversal. Take one pair, mark one pair of corresponding angles. Mark it. Mark చేసుకుందామా యాంగిల్ 1 యాంగిల్ 5 కరస్పాండింగ్ యాంగిల్స్ పెయిర్ ఇది ఒక పెయిర్ ని మార్క్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ we cut యాంగిల్ 1 either యాంగిల్ 5 యాంగిల్ 1 నే ఇలా కట్ చేయండి యాంగిల్ 5 నే కట్ చేయండి కట్ చేసిన పీస్ ని coincide with another angle another corresponding angle they are coincide with then we prove that corresponding angles are equal. Then we prove that corresponding angles are equal by means angle 1 is equal to angle 5. That means angle 1 is equal to angle 5. When a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then the corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 5 and also angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Next, angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Angle 3 is equal to angle 7. And angle 4 is equal to which angle? Angle 8. Angle 4 is equal to angle 8. These are the corresponding angles. We prove that corresponding angles are equal. Are you clear? Notes. Now we are doing the example sums on corresponding angles property. Corresponding angles, when a transversal touches two parallel lines, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles, angle 1 is equal to angle 5. In this figure, find the x and y given figure. X is vertically opposite to 60 degrees. Vertically opposite, we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Then x is equal to how much? X is equal to 60. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Then x is equal to 60 degrees. Angle x and angle y are, angle x and angle y are corresponding angles. Angle x, angle y, corresponding angles. We proved corresponding angles are equal. Angle x comma angle y, corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. Then angle x is equal to angle y. Therefore, angle x is 60 degrees, angle y also 60 degrees. We solve it. Angle y also 60 degrees. Okay. Exercise 4.4 sums. In the given figure, AB parallel CD. E is the transversal. Find x value. X value find out cheyamantunnaru. When a transversal intersects two parallel lines, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Angle CDE, angle CDB is equal to angle ABE. Angle CDE is equal to angle ABE. Corresponding angles property. Corresponding angles properties. Corresponding angles property. Angle CDB is equal to 100 degrees. Angle ABE is equal to x plus 35. X plus 35. 100 minus 35. That is equal to 65 degrees. X is equal to 65 degrees. Okay? X value is 65. 65 plus 35, 100. 100 is equal to 100. Corresponding angles are equal. Okay. This is 4.4. Taru sum. Here in this figure, M comma N are parallel lines. T is transversal. Here is angle x. Here is 120. Angle x is equal to 120 degrees. Y, angle x is equal to 120 degrees. Vertically, we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. And angle x is equal to 45 plus y. Angle x is equal to 45 plus y. Y. Corresponding angles property. Corresponding angles are equal. Angle x is equal to, we know that 120 degrees. 120 degrees is equal to 45 plus y. 120 minus 45 is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to 75 degrees. Y is equal to 75 degrees. We take it 45 plus 75, 120. Here is 120. Therefore, corresponding angles are equal. Okay? Thank you.